Hello, and welcome to my C++ tutorial, where I'm going to introduce you to if-else statements in C++. So, what's on the items? What items on the agenda? There's two tasks which we need to do. First one is to ask the user if the user likes pizza. If they say yes, then print I like pizza too. Otherwise, say my favorite food is pizza. Okay, how are we going to do this? First, we got the include IOStream, include namespace std, and the main function. Yeah, that's pretty standard. As we are dealing with strings, we need to include string. Otherwise, we won't be able to actually use them in this program. So we need to declare string, and we can call that pizza. So we're going to see out and say, do you like pizza? And then we're going to see in pizza based on that variable. Then we're going to do is if pizza is equal to yes, enter squiggly bracket, see out, I like pizza too, and L, and then we do else, enter, squiggly brackets, and then we need to do see out, and then say my favorite food is pizza. End line. Let's give this a go, shall we? Yep, it will take a while to do, so do you like pizza? Let's say yes. I like pizza too, because we typed in yes exactly as the if statement says. Let's run that again. If I was to type in yes with a capital Y in yes, so basically it's saying if you're typing in anything else, it's going to go to my favorite food is pizza. And let's test no. It's going to go to my favorite food is pizza. So if we type in anything else other than yes, exactly how it's spelt, and the casing, it's going to go to my favorite food is pizza. It's going to go into the else, as it doesn't meet the condition. If it's yes in exactly that way, it's going to go into the if statement saying I like pizza too. But we can add some more options. And what we can do is we can do the OR logical operator in C++. You remember in my previous videos about the \n escape characters, where we did a \n like this, or a \t like that. Instead of pressing that, where you would press it, you would need to press the shift as well to get these. And that is the OR. That's the OR logical operator that you need in C++. Then you would need to type pizza again, not just yes. And then you type it like this. Let's have a go and see if how that works. So I'm going to type in yes, capital Y, lowercase e, lowercase s. It's going to go into the if statement instead. Whereas before, if I had typed that in, it would have went in the else. And the reason why that has gone into the if statement is because it's met one of the conditions. So if I was to do that, it's not met the condition because it's not spelt exactly. So we're going to add another one. Shift, \\, then pizza equal to yes. So I'm going to run that. And then I'm going to say yes in that way. And there we go. Lots of different ways we can do it. But we're going to stick to these three just for brevity. You can do all the other cases like a lowercase y, capital E and S, or one lowercase e, one lowercase s, and so on and so forth. So there's infinite amounts of so there's a lot of combinations that we can do there. Okay, so that is task 4 of this tutorial done. What's the next one? This one, we've done, these two we've done before, where we've asked the user, I've done in a previous video on if statements in C++, where we've asked the user to enter a password. If he enter let me in, we display the message access granted. What we're going to do this time is we're going to do an else. So if they enter anything else, we say access denied. So we need to do a string called password. Then we need to do cout and say enter user password. So if password is equal to let me in or lowercase, enter, squiggly brackets, cout, just say access granted. And that is what we've done, that's what I've done with you in a previous video. But this time we're going to add the else. Squiggly brackets, and then we're going to cout access denied. Let's see this work. So I'm going to run it. That doesn't work because I forgot to do a cin. When you want the user to type in something, always got to be there. So as I now got cin, I can just type in let me in. Access granted, because I typed in let me in exactly as the string, as the condition puts it in the if statement, goes into access granted. But if I decide to do capital L and lowercase for everything else, I press enter, it's going to go into the else access denied, because you've got a capital L where it's meant to be a lower, hence why it's gone in the access denied. So that is 2 tasks here. So we've done task 4 and we've done task 5. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share, and I look forward to making the next video for you as soon as I can. Goodbye for now.